the receiver. Then at the receiver stage, you need to get the signal called, for that you use low pass Bessel filter. Previously we use low pass Gaussian filter. For the change, we use low pass Bessel filter having the cutoff frequency of 0.75 bit rate. Okay, here at the input side and output side, you need to see the optical spectrum analyzer. You connect optical time domain analyzer and the oscilloscope visualizer. Then what is here? BAR analyzer. It is also available in our library, Optisim library. Just to type and BR analyzer, you will get this one. Okay, what are the BR analyzer inputs are? For input side, that is a PRBG, PRBMBS sequence generator input, one input, and another one is your MEZ modulator input, and final one is your output of low pass filter. In this manner, you just connect. Okay, first how to set up, how to this slide showing the parameter setup. This is a step one for CW laser. Okay, just you double click on the CW laser. Okay, what are the action to be done? Double click the laser and CW laser properties dialog box will be coming in the power row. Okay, here in the power, just double click on that. Double click on CW laser. You select frequency and power. Just you already leave it as what is the default value. You leave it as. Now we click on power. Here you change the mode. Change the mode into normal to sweep. Already is normal. Okay, you give the values, power values 10. Okay, 10 or minus 10 you give in this manner. Okay, this is our circuit source. In the click the mode cell, and drop down list will appear and select sweep. Here, power you give 10 value. Here in this mode you select sweep. Previously it is in normal mode. Now we change into sweep mode to set the sweep parameter value. To set the sweep mode. Okay. Here this diagram shows parameter setup to iterate using the sweep mode. Here this one, sweep mode, normal mode, sweep mode, and script mode. There are 3 modes are available here. Here you choose sweep mode. Okay. Here after that you save the setting, click OK. Click OK. Then you close this one. Then move to second step. This is the first step is just to download, or you just yourself you made this circuit as it is. First, what is the first step is you click on CW laser. You leave the frequency as it is. You just change the power into 10 dB. Okay. Here you click on power. You change the mode, normal mode into sweep mode, and click OK. This is the first step. Okay. Then next step is calculate the design using different values of the input power. Okay. Here the changing the number of sweep iteration. Pre one is changing the number of to iterate the sweep mode. Select the parameter to iterate the sweep mode. This is the first step, and the second step is changing the number of sweep iterations. Okay. Here from the layout menu. Here in this layout menu, you set total sweep iteration. You click on this. Otherwise, shortcut Control Home. You just click. Here you give the total iteration is 10. Okay. Can you able to follow? Okay. Click the total number of iteration is 10, and again go to layout and click parameter sweeps. Okay, here just click here. Here already 10 parameter sweeps are there. Just click here. Here you click means all the columns will select. Here already you selected one, so that it is not showing the value. If you are new user, just you click here means what is the starting. Okay. Here total iteration type, this point is over. The next step, changing the number of sweep iteration. Step 2, if you first you click here, set total sweep iterations means here it will ask one dialog box. Total here you need to enter 10. Then click OK. Then the same menu, layout menu, parameters sweep is there. Okay, just you click here. Then you give the value plus 10 to minus 10 value. End value it shows start value and end values. You use the value. Start value you type minus 10. End value you click 10. Okay. Then under sweep tools, here the spread tools you select linear. Okay, after applying the start and end value, okay, now you click here. It asks it asks the iterations spread parameter value. Here you need to type -10 to +10. Okay, here you spread tool, you click linear, then okay, click OK. Otherwise, directly you can click here linear, like that. Here you need to set this value. After the values, click in this under the spread tools menu, just click linear. Okay, this is the step. Then afterwards, after running the simulation, click on BR analyzer um, component. You will get this Q factor value and minimum BR value and threshold value, height of the one. Then next one BR pattern. Okay, if you want to see the eye diagram, you click this show eye diagram option. Okay, that's all. Okay, now run the simulation. Okay, now the messages coming calculation is finished. Click OK. Now BR analyzer. This is your BR analyzer waveform. If you need the this is a BR analyzer. What is the value between your Q versus your time bit period? Okay, this is our output bit analyzer output Q factor output. Here itself in this analysis, what is the maximum Q factor and minimum BR value? What is the high height and threshold? All things you will get. Then minimum BR value, this is your threshold value, this is your height, this is your BR pattern. Okay. If you want to see the eye diagram, you can click here. You will get the eye diagram like this. Okay. In this measurement, both BR and eye analyzer output you can see. So we can see the result in combined manner. That is your with eye diagram as also the BR rate. This one. In this manner, you can analyze the values. Okay. Why you are giving the values sweep iteration 1 to 10. For example, here this is our title. Can you able to see? I think this is a small one. Here set active layout. In this active layout, what is your external name? It shows. And if your drop down list is there, sweep iteration 1 to 10. Okay. For example, here I is open. Here at the 10th iteration, your I will be open here. For example, how to see for our first iteration, just click on that. Here in this first iteration, your eye not opening, it is closed one. It has some dispersion because we are setting the value of input fiber is 50 kilometer. It is your here eye is not open here, so you have some dispersed output. Okay, for example, I am choosing sweep iteration 2. Okay, now slightly your eye getting open. Okay, then that third iteration, then fifth iteration. Okay, it is already we got this one. Now 7, 6, 7. This is 8. This is 9. Okay, you will get the accurate eye diagram and accurate result. That is a BR analyzer each and every iteration, because sweep iteration you are getting the result, and analyze the maximum, you will get the maximum Q factor and minimum BR value, eye height and threshold decision. All things you can calculate. Also you can import by using this tab. You can also export the data. You can import the curve and the set active display, and also print into BMP file, print to EMF file. A lot of options are there. Just you go through it, will get like this. Okay, well, that's all I think. Also, one more method is there. If you this is getting from your BR analyzer. This is a layout block you are getting. You can click our BR analyzer. Also, you just observe the oscilloscope visualizer output, and also in the input side and output side. In this manner, just you compare the values, the spectrum values. That is a 1.5 to 1.5. That is a 1520 dBm value is there. Based on that, the modulator producing the waveform output waveform. Here the optical length is 50. The photo detector used to detect the signal, detect or demodulate the signal. Finally the low pass Bessel filter are utilized for filtering the signal. Okay, then one more option is there. click here report. Here in this main layout tab, one report tab is there. Here also you will get the values, what value already you suggested. Already we got your minimum log BR value and q factor iteration also you can get. Also by using this option you can plot the 3D graph, you can plot the 2D graph also. Okay, here in this manner also you can see. Also you can generate the script file also by using this um, here export window is there. Also you can generate. Click here means you will get the generate script option. If you need to convert your design into script file means here automatically the script file will become. Okay, just in this manner also you can generate script file in the single click. Okay, here itself the set parameter mode, active threshold voltage, this manner also there. So in this main layout option, your main layout you can just drag and drop the component and make your one design. And in this report in this main layout, one report window is there. In this report window, what you are selected, in at the time of frequency and power line with initial phase. Based on that, you will get the output. Also, you can drag and drop what is a BR analyzer, CW laser, and low pass filter. Each and every point just to drag and drop and see and observe the waveforms. Okay, here also you can generate a script file also. Okay, in this manner, you try to get the output. If you are having any doubt, means you can ask now, both A section and B section.